So the plan is to mount it here like this. I'm going to mount it like this. But first of all, we need to figure out whether this thing has a brake light incorporated into it. So let's go do that. Battery in there, the battery I have on it. I did not do a video on us mounting the battery and stuff. I should have, but I didn't. But we can use this battery to see if this thing has a brake light on it or not. So, good news. This particular light, which I got off eBay, that's a little kid's ATV tail light. It's got a ordinary tail light and a brake light function built into it. Green and brown is ordinary light, and then green in this yellow one, which is actually red down here. Just use a different plug off the roadkill. These two would be brake lights. So, works out pretty nice. I don't have to put a separate brake light on. Let's get this baby on there. I won't wire up the brake light until I have hydraulic disc brakes on this thing, which I will be putting on. Let's get to it. Have our light ready to go. I've ran this ground wire through there, here connecting to the ground of the light, and then these two wires here, the brown one is tail light, and then this like yellow and green one, which is red down here, is the brake light. So we're just going to hook up the tail light today. In the future, I will invest in a pedal sensor and get the brake light hooked. I do want to put hydraulic disc brakes on this too, because the current brakes kind of suck, so I'll probably put that in when we do that. But I've officially mounted this tail light. Like I said earlier in the video, it's a little kids ATV tail light, and I have a wire running down there. I'll need another wire running up to a brake pedal sensor later on. But if I flip the switch, it's just connected in with the other two headlights, and voila! We have light. It looks a lot brighter on camera than it is in person. Pretty dim. You know, a tail light's just there to let other vehicles know you're there, and if I flip on the roadkill's lights, or tail lights, they're not much brighter. So, should work out okay for us. Another successful modification to this guy. We also got our trailer hitch we did. One of the feature videos, we're going to put a stage 1 kit on this with a removable muffler, just like a lot of the other carts I have. Roadkill here, we're going to do a rewire of it. Eventually, we're going to do a paint job as well. We're going to put a big bore kit on it too, and a new reverse box so that actually works. So that's going to be awesome. And then we're also going to put probably upgraded shocks on the back because it's really easy to bottom it out. So I want stiffer shocks or bigger shocks or whatever. Front shocks are better than the rear ones right now. So figure that out. You guys will see that in a future video. This is Cartman Productions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Old man on a pit bike.